Hello guys, welcome to today's video. At Voice of Crypto is the book launch and I wish you an interesting day. Today we're talking about interesting topics, so don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, comment and share. Before we get into any content, I would love to remind this is not a financial advice, so you must do your own market research. With that said, let's talk about what is currently happening in this crypto market today. Today's topic is Cardano could potentially run to $5, and we currently just breaking the descending triangle. So I'm going to show you in the graph right now. So let me share this screen with you. Okay, before we get into anything else, let's have a look on Cardano. We currently playing out of a descending triangle, which is potentially a bullish sign. So we are expecting Cardano to come back to all-time high at some point very, very soon. And I do believe that altcoin season is about to start. So 3.0, it was the all-time high for Cardano, but there are rumors that Cardano could potentially hit $5. Okay, so we do want to keep tracking Cardano these days and see how that is going to play out as we start already to pump from the descending triangle. Heading over to the Bitcoin chart on the 1 hour time frame, we had a little bit momentum. As I mentioned yesterday, we came all the way to 60,628, and that was the level to watch. And I'm longing currently Bitcoin. Now though, I'm not sure if we're going to fill this entire green box, but my personal opinion, not financial advice, would be, watching somewhere around 68,000, and from this level here I would just take some profits and put my stop loss just below it and wait to see if we are going to fill the box. So if we do fill the box, we are going to be around somewhere around 72,000 USDT, but it is a probability. So you do want to manage your risk carefully before, investing or trading. But if we do manage to break this level at 68K, we could see Bitcoin back to 72K, and that will change the entire scenario. So that is the 1 hour graph. I won't go to anywhere else because I think in this kind of moments, it's just nice to keep tracking and having a closer look into what is currently going on. So I am longing BTC to 68K, and from 68K, let's see what's going to happen. Let's go to Ethereum, because Ethereum it is a very, very coin price. So we managed to buy this dip here somewhere around 3,068, and I am currently looking to this movement until meets the 200 AMA, because the price has memories. So he's always looking into this AMA. At the end of this AMA, it is at 3,579.63 to be very, very precise. So this is the trade that we could potentially take today on Ethereum. I mean, if you haven't entered yet, I'm not being able to draw here for some reason. But next level to watch is the when we meet the AMA, which is 3,580, 577, something like that. And from here, guys, we have to watch this level and see what's going to happen next for Ethereum. If we break this level, we're definitely going to go up and further, somewhere around 4,000. But if we get into this level, we can exit, take some profit, and just wait to see what is going to happen next. And yeah, let's go over to CoinMarketCap, because we saw already the Cardano narrative that it's possible to hit $5. And personally, I'm waiting and expecting Cardano to move. It hasn't done much yet. this bull market. So Fit and greedy index today is at 74. So people start to be a little bit less greedy, which gives me more confidence to be a little bit bullish today. And today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap, the global crypto market cap today is at 2.41 trillion, a 0.76% increase over the last day. So we saw that momentum of a deep, and I mentioned also here that people were a little bit desperate, thinking that Bitcoin would not just hold or recover. But at the level that we are, guys, it is a little bit impossible. We're very close to the halving, and we have all this money from BlackRock and big institution in. So the best idea is to watch closely at the moment and see what's going to happen next. Um, Coming over to Cointelegraph, I just wanted to talk about the news today before we get back to the top gainers and losers and what else is going on CoinMarketCap. I wanted to read a news very, very quick and understand about it. Apple co-founder wins against YouTube in Bitcoin scam lawsuit. BTC price dips hits 17.5% as a week. Bitcoin ETF net outflows near 500 million. Web3 gamer gods on-chain app drops crypto kings of fighter arena view. History of crypto, a timeline of events that shape the future of money. And Zlaf meme coins launch might less screw up or marketing strain. So be careful trading meme coins. It's all about making money and having fun. But if you are trading altcoins and meme coins, meme coins, be aware. The news I wanted to pull up today is actually this one. Let's have a look on it and understand a little bit more about this dip and why it happened and what is the narrative. The BTC price dip hits 17.5% as the week's Bitcoin ETF net outflows near 500 million. The BTC price losses near 20% versus recent all-time high, with Bitcoin ETF outflows in focus. BTC threatened a fresh breakdown through 61K on March 20 as analysis warned that support could crack. Okay, the BTC price weakness target was at 60K as we mentioned, but regardless, we did bounce back from that at the moment. So a data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView tracked another night of BTC price losses. These so far bottoming at the 60K 760 on Bitstamp, now down 70.5% versus its all-time highs. BTC USD continues to feel selling pressure thanks to several key headwinds. As Cointelegraph reported, this includes outflows from the United States Spot Bitcoin Exchange Trade Fund ETFs and the March 20 decision on an interest rate by the Federal Reserve. While this outcome of the Federal Open Market Committee, the FOMC meeting, it's all but guaranteed. The Fed Chair Jerome Powell's subsequent commentary is under the microscope for risk asset. With the Fed meeting less than 24 hours away, it's unlikely the Fed changes rates tomorrow. Trading results the Corbett letter wrote in past of this recent analysis on X, formerly Twitter. The latest estimate from the CME Group FedWatch 2 pull the chances of a pivot on return to rate cuts at just 1% on the March 20 and 9.1% on the next FOMC gathering in May. June's Fed event has noticed better odds at 5%. Analyst. Some chop first, Before Bitcoin ETF rebound, the spot ETF, meanwhile, saw a second consecutive day of the net outflows, but data from United Kingdom-based investment firm Farsight related to Bitcoin dumps money sells as well. Sharks add three 328K in BTC in a month, while the exodus from the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust was lower than the record of 642 million from March 19. Low inflows to the older ETF products made for lackluster statistics. Almost 500 million USD has flowed out of the spot BTC ETF in the past two trading days, financial commentator Ted Tokes Macro responded. Traders taking a wait to see the pre FOMC or just getting out plus tax season in the US is being potential reason for the slowdown. Regular programming will resume, but some chop first. And here we have the Bitcoin ETF flow table and the final data of 19th of March. So we saw nearly 500 million out of the market. Is it its Asia morning caller daily bullet sent to Telegram channel subscriber trading firm KCP Capital Northwest warned that the second net outflow day could have serious implications for the BTC price trend. The Garrett scale showed slightly smaller outflows of 443.5 million overnight, but will inflow the other ETFs, brings us to the net positive number today. Okay, so this is a very interesting data to track. So if you are interested to see what is actually coming out and in of this Bitcoin ETF, you can search for the Bitcoin ETF flow table and have a look yourself. It's a very accurate data. So now going back to CoinMarketCap, also I wanted to mention that not only related to tax really in the United States, I think people were selling because, they made extreme great profits as well. So they just took a little bit of profit, that's on my personal opinion. So that's nothing to do with the data itself. End of the day, we are back to the bull market, and whatever 70% 20% corrections are going to happen, and that's going to feel a little bit heavy. But regardless of what is going on, the current price of Bitcoin right now is at 63,900 USDT and Ethereum at 3,347. Ethereum had a little bit deep price action than Bitcoin. So it's currently on a 7-day, 16.95% down, and BTC 12.31%. But as I mentioned today, on a TA side, it is looking a little bit bullish. If you are trading, be careful, but if you do, make the most. Gainers and losers of today. So Pepe still here, 10.78% up on the 24-hour time frame. KuCoin token 10.34% up. Toncoin from Telegram still here as well, currently trading at 4.3. And again, this coin, as I mentioned, it is likely to double. We all know the utility behind it and the hype. Okay, so those are coins that you want to track. Optimism, very interesting, 9% up, but we haven't seen crazy moves yet, as we were dipping yesterday. So you know what to look for. You have to come to the top losers, and dog with a hat still here, but not that deep as we saw previously. So dog with a hat price is currently at 2.15 and has gone down 13.91%, on the past 24 hours. Avalanche is currently trading at 53.96 and is down 10.61%. Solana Also an interesting coin to watch because Solana it is likely to double as well and has gone down 5.14% on the past 24 hours. Jupiter, also an interesting one to have a look on, is down 4.76% on the 24-hour time frame. So NIP protocol, I remain bullish on NIP protocol. So it's an interesting one that you should definitely have a look. Also, and is down 3.45%. So nothing crazy really. Not that deep or not that high on the top gainers and losers today, but there are opportunities to be taken. All you have to do is go to the deepest one and buy and sell the highest. Okay, we always do the opposite in this market. And yes, guys, that is pretty much for today cryptocurrency market. I definitely invite you to be part of the Voice of Crypto Telegram group if you are interested on having this kind of news and signals and everything that is going on the exact right moment, which is very important to track. So I am bullish on the Bitcoin price still and Ethereum, but I think everything you have to do today is watch and see what's going to happen. I'll be back tomorrow with more news updates. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Follow Voice of Crypto everywhere, and I'll see you tomorrow with more updates. Thank you.